Good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello and how are you? Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. So, today we are going to learn
English Introduction of letter T, Phonic sound of letter T, Activity of letter T, Revision A to N in Spiral Book, Number Work Count and Write 1 to 10 in Spiral Book.
Hello children, welcome back. Are you all ready to learn a new letter? Let's see today which letter we are going to learn. Is it letter H? No. Is it letter B? No. Is it letter T? Yes. Today we are going to learn letter T. Capital letter T. Children, what is this? It's a truck. Truck starts with which letter? It starts with letter T. Theta, truck. T for truck. What is this? It's a tiger. Tiger starts with which letter? Tiger starts with letter T. T for tiger. Now let's quickly learn the phonic sound of letter T.
When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth.
T. T says T. T says T. So what is the phonic sound of letter T? It says T. Now let's see the related pictures. Top. Theta, top. Theta, top. Theta, tap. Tap. Theta, tap. Theta, tiger. 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 Theta, table. 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 Theta, toothbrush. Toothbrush. Children, this is your worksheet page and today we'll try and write capital letter T. What is the image given on top of the page? It's a tomato. So after finished writing T, color tomato neatly. Dear parents, please write the date on top of the page for your child. First line have already been done. You can trace on this line for practice. Now we'll be writing from second line. Can you all see how many dots are given? 2 dots are given. And before we start writing, can we repeat the basic rule of writing uppercase letters? Uppercase letters we write only in the first 3 lines, not beyond these lines, right? Remember? Now keep the pencil on the first dot, on the upper dot. From here, we are going to draw a standing line till the bottom dot. Okay? What have we drawn? Standing line. And then we will be writing sleeping line on top line. Okay? What we are going to do, first you have to draw standing line. And then on this top line, we are going to draw sleeping line. Capital letter T. It's very easy and simple. Standing line, and on top of the first line you have to just draw a sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line forms capital letter T. T. Standing line, sleeping line, capital letter T. Children, when you write, please say and write and learn the phonic sound too. Phonic sounds are very important. Please write neatly, and for today you need to complete the whole worksheet. Thank you everyone. And before leaving, there's a small message. Children, what is it? It's a tree. So, it starts with which letter? It starts with letter T. And trees are very important in our life. We need to preserve trees. Yes? Plant a tree, save the planet. So, let's try and preserve trees and try to plant more and more trees. Thank you everyone. See you all in the next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe.
So today we are going to learn introduction of letter T. T, tiger. Okay, the sound of letter T is T. T, tiger. Okay, repeat along with me. T, tiger. Okay, now let's see the objects related to letter T. T, train. T, tomato. T, tree. T, tent. T, truck. T, teddy. Okay, now let's enjoy the rhyme.
Can you make the letter sounds? We can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter T. This is a capital T. This is a lowercase t. You know how the T looks now. Let's make the letter T sound. T, 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 yes! T is for truck. T is for train. T is for a triangle. T is for toys. T is for tiger. T is for tutu. You know some T words now. Let's make the letter T sound. T, 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 t. T, 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 t. Your turn. T, 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 t. T.
Identify an object related to letter T. T. The sound of letter T is T. T, tiger. Okay. Now let's identify the objects related to letter T. What is this? Train. T, train. Does it starts with letter T? Yes. Very good. What is this? Orange. O, orange. Does it starts with letter T? No. What is this? Tomato. T, tomato. Does it starts with letter T? Yes. Very good. What is this? Snail. S, snail. Does it starts with letter T? No. What is this? Teddy. T, teddy. Does it starts with letter T? Yes. Very good. What is this? Rose. R, rose. Does it starts with letter T? No. What is this? Truck. T, truck. Does it starts with letter T? Yes. What is this? Key. K, key. Does it starts with letter T? No. So these are the objects related to letter T. T, train. T, tomato. T, T, teddy. T, truck. Okay, kids?
Good morning, children. Welcome back. In today's session, we'll be revising letters A to N. Capital letter A. A says A. Apple. Capital letter B. B says B, ball. Capital letter C. C says C, cat. Capital letter D. D says D, dog. Capital letter E. E says ah from your throat. The phonic sound of capital letter E comes from your throat. E, elephant. Capital letter F. F says F for fish. Capital letter G. G says G, grapes. Capital letter H. H says H for horse. Capital letter I. E, ice cream. Capital letter J. J says J, jug. Capital letter K. K, kite. Capital letter L. Lamp. Capital letter M. M says M, monkey. Capital letter N. N says nest. This is your worksheet page, and today we'll try and write revising letters from A to N. Keep the pencil on the first dot. We are beginning to write letter A. You all know how to write letter A? Yes? Slanting line, sleeping line. Capital letter A. Guess how do we write capital letter A? Slanting line, sleeping line. A. Now we'll be writing letter B. Standing line, right curve. Capital letter B. Children, can you all tell me the basic rule of writing uppercase letters? All the uppercase letters we write in the first 3 lines, not beyond first 3 lines. Remember? Yes. Now we are going to write capital letter C, left curve. Capital letter C, left curve. Capital letter D, standing line, right curve. Standing line, right curve. Yes. Capital letter E, standing line, sleeping line. One standing line and 3 sleeping lines forms capital letter E. Capital F, standing line, sleeping line. Capital letter F. G, left curve, standing line, standing line. Capital letter G. H, capital H, standing line, standing line and sleeping line. Capital H, 2 standing lines and 1 sleeping line forms capital letter H. Now writing capital I, standing line, sleeping line. Capital letter I. J, standing line, small hook, sleeping line. Capital J. Now we'll be writing capital letter K, standing line, and from the center line we'll be drawing slanting line. Capital letter K. L, standing line, sleeping line. Capital L. Letter M. So keep the pen. Can you see the dots? Keep the pencil on the dot, bottom dot. From there, we'll be drawing a standing line towards the upper dot, and from there, we'll be drawing a slanting line. Again, a slanting line, and then a standing line. This is how we are going to write capital letter M. 2 standing lines and 2 slanting lines will form capital letter M. Now keep the pencil on the bottom dot again. From there we'll be drawing standing line towards the upper dot. From upper dot we'll be drawing a slanting line towards the bottom dot, and from there we'll be drawing a standing line again. Yes, this is how we write capital letter N. So children, while you are writing, please say and write the letter with its phonic sound. Try to learn all the phonic sounds. Write neatly. Thank you so much everyone. See you all in the next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe.
Hello children. Today we'll practice count and write in spiral book. Go to page number 55. On the top left side, write today's date. Count and write 1 to 10. Now we'll count how many smileys are here and we will write in the box. 1 smiley. Write 1 here. Touch the line. 1, 2. 2 smileys. 2. 1, 2, 3. Write 3 in the box. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 smileys. Write 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 smileys. Children, like this, complete till here. Thank you, children. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you. See you again. Bye.